Structure of cell. Each and every cell in an organism possesses three essential parts. First one, cell membrane. Second one, cytoplasm. Third one, nucleus. First one, cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called as plasma membrane. It is living membrane having fine pores. So this is a cell membrane which encircles the cell and fine pores which is present over the cell membrane. It is semi-permeable, means it allows only certain substances, which are the substances are required for the cell, only that substances will pass us through this pores, that is through the fine pores. In case of plant cell, there is cell wall which surrounds the cell membrane. There is a one more layer which surrounds the cell membrane. This cell wall, the outermost layer in the plant cell, that is called cell wall, which is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is an organic molecule. So these organic molecules are present in the cell wall. So they are made up of cellulose. Because of the presence of cell wall, gives definite shape and rigidity to the cell. It gives a definite shape and rigidity. It is freely permeable. It is freely permeable means it allows all the substances through the cell wall. So cell wall is freely permeable. So whichever the substances are present near the cell wall, all the substances will pass us through this cell wall. So this is about cell membrane and cell wall. Next is about second one, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the part of the cell which is inside the cell membrane and outside the nucleus. This is a nucleus. So this is a nucleus and this one is a cell membrane, and in between there is a space. So it is a part of the cell which is inside the cell membrane and outside the nucleus, and this region is called as a cytoplasm. It is semi-liquid substance. So the liquid which is present in the cytoplasm is a semi-liquid. It contains several organelles. Organelles means these organelles are the special membrane bond structure in the cell. It concerned with the definite function. There are some structures, example mitochondria, lysosome, centrioles, Golgi body, and some other parts. These are the organelles. These are the special structures which is present inside the cell, which gives a particular function. So they are called as organelles. And also all the chemical reactions which will take place in the cytoplasm. Next, the part of the cytoplasm other than the organelles is called cytosol. Cytosol means the part of the, this is a part of the cytoplasm other than organelles, not the other than these organelles. This place or this region is called as a cytosol. Next is about nucleus. Nucleus is also called as a master of the cell because all the cell activities which is carried out by the nucleus. So nucleus is also called as a master of the cell. Nucleus is present at the center of the cytoplasm. So this is the nucleus I have separated from the cell, and this nucleus which will be present at the center of the cytoplasm. It is surrounded by double layered nuclear membrane. So this is surrounded by double layered nuclear membrane with the nuclear pores. There is a gap in between this membrane. So these are the pores, and through these pores allow substances to enter and live. Ground substance of the nucleus is a semi-solid substance, that is ground substance. This region, it is made up of semi-solid substance, so it is called as a nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is a ground substance of the nucleus, is a it is a semi-solid substance, so it is called as a nucleoplasm. And in the nucleoplasm, it contains one or more round-shaped nucleoli, like a small round-shaped nucleoli are present in the nucleoplasm, so they are called as a nucleolus. Nucleolus or nucleoli. Nucleoplasm contains a network of dark colored fibers called chromatin fiber. In the nucleoplasm, these are the thread-like or network-like dark colored fibers which is present in the nucleoplasm, and this structure or this network-like structures are called as a chromatin fibers. So these chromatin fibers which condenses into short thick chromosome during the cell division. Once the cell division starts, these chromatin fibers which condenses and forms chromosomes. So these are the main three parts of the cell. They are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Other than these, there are some more organelles which is present inside the cell. They are mitochondria, Golgi body, centrioles, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome. They have the major role in the cell.